In English, we use plural nouns when we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing. The most common rule is just adding s to the noun. 1 cat, 2 cats. 1 book, 3 books. 1 car, 5 cars. If a word ends in s, sh, ch, x, o, add es. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 brush, 2 brushes. 1 watch, 2 watches. 1 box, 2 boxes. 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes. If a word ends in consonant plus y, change y to I and add es. 1 baby, 2 babies. If a word ends in vowel plus y, just add s. 1 key, 2 keys. Words that end in f or fe change to ves in the plural. Wife, wives. Some plurals don't follow the rules. 1 child, 2 children. 1 person, 2 people. 1 man, 2 men. 1 woman, 2 women. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 1 goose, 2 geese. 1 ox, 2 oxen. 1 deer, 2 deer. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. 1 fish, 2 fish. Let's do an exercise. 1 cat, 2 cats. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies. 1 toy, 2 toys. 1 ox, 2 oxen. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. See you in the next lesson. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.